And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
We had some rain over the weekend, certainly nothing like that, but kind of rainy Saturday morning, a little shower activity on Sunday. I still think the big headlines, the temperatures. Many of you talking online how quickly it's changed. My good buddy Rich called it temperature whiplash. Yes, it's a good way to talk about it and explain it because it is like temperature whiplash. We went from setting daytime high temperature records in the beginning of the month of November, and then we've really cooled things off. And I know a lot of people at home are like, well, it's supposed to get cold. It's November, but we've gone completely extreme. I mean, temperatures only in the 40s today. We should still be hitting 50s, and those 40s aren't going to last much longer. In fact, much of the U.S. right now, it's like a bowl of cold. If you want to get away, you got to go all the way down into central and southern Florida. That's where the warm stuff is hanging on. This looks really like a December, January kind of map. I mean, just a consistent cold across the U.S. And to mix it all up, there's like a little storm that we got to watch. I'll talk more about that. But first off, the first 13 days, I did not add today yet. We only had one day, that one day in the 9th, that was below average. Every other day has been above average. And not just above average, I mean like well above average. 20 degrees above average last Sunday and Monday. But overall, though, the trend of red boxes is going to come to an end real fast. Lots of blue boxes this week and for next week as well. This is something you see in December, January too. Cold air racing over the relatively warm ocean water of 50 to 60 degrees, but the air is so cold it creates clouds that are just building right off the coast, but we stay clear tonight. But this is something I show in the wintertime, not this time of year. All right, clear, temperatures, 30s, and we drop back to around 30 by 1 a.m., which means there'll be some 20s mixed in. If you're not in the 20s at midnight, you will be by morning. Rebound to the 40s tomorrow. It comes with some afternoon cloud cover. No showers, though, just some afternoon clouds. And I think the brightest part of the day will be in the morning. No showers for you. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, and overall just a cool day after a cold start. Zoom out, satellite and radar. Here's Providence, here's New England. We go all the way back down into Oklahoma where it's snowing right now. Yes, snow in Oklahoma City, rain preceding the system into Arkansas and Louisiana, and this is all coming our way. And we had just talked about how it's cold, right? Could we squeeze out a little snow here? Kind of. Let me show you what I mean. Futurecast. Clear tonight, cold, 2-blanket night. Warm it up inside the house tomorrow morning because it's going to be cold. You know when the floor is really cold and you kind of do like this little tiptoe thing to the bathroom? Yep, be prepared. Cloud cover in the afternoon tomorrow, temperatures in the 40s. Where's that storm? Oh, boop, there it is. Right after about 9 p.m. on Tuesday. Look at this. Green means rain. Pink means little mixture. White means snow, right? Okay, Northwest Rhode Island. You could start off briefly with a little snow mixed with rain. When I mean Northwest Rhode Island, I mean like Northwest Rhode Island, like Burrville, Corner. That's about it, because this is all going to change over to rain overnight when the temperatures rise. And that rain will continue through Wednesday morning, taper off a bit by noon, and overall it's just a cloudy day. It's actually the warmest day in the entire 7-day, and that's just hitting 50 degrees. So you're going to see a snow forecast. A lot of people will show it. This is us. This is where the snow is. This is in Mass, not for us. And there is a winter weather advisory. This is us. This is where the winter weather advisory is, way over here. So we good. It's just a lot of rain. There's a little token snow maybe at first, northwest. Lots of sunshine icons there, but that's some cold temperatures the next 7 days, Tiffany.
Can we see that move again later?
Sure.
What you do, you tiptoe in the morning?
I'll do that.
Thanks so much. We'll see it at the end of the show. Still to come on First